Thailand! Hi, Phuket!
Hi guys! I'm Delor Altura from Philippines.
Where are you now?
I'm here in Phuket, Thailand at Splash Beach Resort.
Okay, let's do a room tour.
So this is the room of Kimberly Altura. This is the toilet.
Okay.
And then there is a bed for us. That's it. This is only small, but it's cute and very nice.
Like you.
Clean and very good ambience.
Oh, sure. So now we are outside Splash Beach Resort and we're going to Red Mango.
Yes, my first time here.
So I just came out from work and Mama came fresh from the Philippines.
So it's just near.
Yeah.
This is a pad thai, and then the tom yum.
Tom yum.
Right?
Tom yum.
Tom yum. And then buko juice for our drink. This is a passion. Ano?
Passion.
It is correct? Passion? Passion fruit. Here in Phuket, Thailand, the color is
Maroon.
Maroon.
Brown.
But in Philippines, it's color yellow.
Wow.
That's why I'm amazed.
How's your first day here in Phuket?
I'm full. The food are delicious, especially the tom yum.
We're going back to our room because tomorrow we have a tour going to some islands. I booked the tour with Klook or Klook, so you can see the screenshot of the tour we're going to take tomorrow and how much is it, and see you tomorrow.
Good morning, Thailand.
Good morning! We're going to the lobby now for our pickup for our tour. Hi! Good morning. Mama, how are you feeling?
I'm excited.
Are you excited? That's our pickup. Thank you. We are now here in our transfer going to the speedboat. So from Macau going to the port, it will take us 1 hour. And this transfer is not included. For if you're, I think, living around the city, it will be included. You can see now the places that are not included on the free pick up and drop off on your screen. Since we're living at Macau and it's 1 hour away, we need to pay 1,200 for the whole car for both of us, and it's round trip already. So I think that's fine because it's less hassle. So see you when we get to the port.
These are free.
It's 9 in the morning and we're group number 1. So when you arrive here, they will give you a number, a sticker that you need to attach on your shirt or number 1. So they will just call you if we're ready to leave. Then you need to sign something for your insurance. There are toilets downstairs, but you need to pay 20 baht if you need to use it. But if you're going for a tour, you can just use the toilets here upstairs. It's for free. So that you don't need to pay 20 baht.
Okay, leave your things on the boat. If you took your bag, head back to the beach. Monkeys come to you, snatch from your hand, run away up the mountain. Be careful, monkey bite. Stay away with them. Okay.
Lining up, going inside the boat. They're telling us during the orientation that you need to take a photo before going inside the boat so that you can get your insurance if something happened to you during the trip. That's my that's my bay. It's closed for now for renovation. What island is this?
I said don't get it. I was like, but whatever. Yeah, I love here very much. Yeah, I think everybody come here for swim. Yeah, everybody enjoys, eh? Everybody can jump to the sea for pay. Yeah.
So that's Mossy. So guys, we can only swim here, no snorkeling, because during the typhoon before here in Thailand, all the coral reefs and the fishes are gone. That's why only swimming, because you cannot see anything even if they give you gears for snorkeling. How's your swimming experience here in Thailand?
It's nice. It's tiring.
Tiring. How's your jumping experience?
I jumped 3 times and it's good. I just close my nose so that the water will not get inside.
Wow, very good in English. English 101. This is a pineapple, so don't worry. It's not fish food, it's pineapple. Pineapple food. It's pineapple.
They are doing this snorkeling and the corals are very beautiful down under the sea.
We are now here at Andaman Beach Resort. There's a lot of people already, like there's a ton of people. So I think people who are doing tours are going here to Andaman Beach Resort to have their lunch, because usually all of the restaurants are here. It's also a resort. So there's a lot of people right now and it's very hot. So guys, we're having our lunch. So it's already included in our tour. So it's buffet. There's also food for vegetarians, so you don't need to worry. Kala, finish. We just had our lunch here at Recital Restaurant. They're telling us it's buffet, but buffet usually is unlimited, right? But it's not unlimited. When I was asking for my 5th chicken, they did not allow me anymore.
5th chicken. That's why.
Vlogger mama.
Yes, I'm a vlogger too.
We're now here in Monkey Beach. We are now here at the beach and I'm just laying down. It's for rent. This is for 100 baht. And included in the tour is watermelon, cola, water, pineapple, other things. And you can buy alcohol here, other food and drinks. Mama is swimming right now and I'm just here because I'm so tired already. Thank you. We're leaving Khai Nok Beach. We're going back to reality. Mama, where are you going?
We're going home in our hotel.
Hi! Flash Beach, that's us.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Ikaw naman. Thank you.
We're going home in our accommodation.
How's your tour?
Very good, very memorable tour.
What's your most favorite part of the tour?
The snorkeling.
We're going to the beach if there's still sun, and we're going to explore the hotel, the amenities of the hotel, so that Mama can see it. I hope we will arrive there when the sun is still out and shining. If you have any questions about the tour, don't hesitate to comment down below. The tour guides are very nice. They will really guide and very accommodating if you have any questions. And they're really helping the local business thrive, Char. At the beach, they're selling
Because
overpriced foods because there's a lot of tourists.
And no, because they are paying the government. The prices
Are.
at the beach are little bit higher than the market because they are paying government tax and rentals. So at the yes,
How did you know that?
I just hear from Mosi,
Yeah.
our tour guide. And then according to Mosi, the afternoon there are more tourists going there because they are drinking cocktails. They like the sunset. And then at the 6 o'clock, they must leave also the locals. They have to leave the beach because they don't have electricity.
We are now back at our hotel and we're going to the beach area of the hotel. We're going to stay there until the night comes and we're going to have dinner right after that. That's our itinerary for the night. And good thing there's still sun, so Mama can still have a photo at the beach.
Thank you, Lord God, for everything. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Our second dinner here in Thailand, so we have pineapple fried rice with mixed seafoods, and we also have a fish from Taiwan, and tom yum because it's Mama's favorite soup right now with prawns and passion fruit without sugar. Wow. So guys, we're now back inside our room and that's the end of our vlog. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our vlog here in Phuket. And tomorrow we will be leaving Phuket early in the morning. Mama will be going back to
Philippines.
and me to Middle East. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell for notification. See you soon on my future vlogs. Bye-bye!